I am well aware of which direction left is. This remote positioning system is not functioning properly.
Well, Sparks, don't put yourself out. There is one more rocket.
Right. What was I thinking?
Oh,
There you go. Anything to help.
thanks a lot, Sparks.
So, we about done? Cause I can sure use a nice tasty hover burger.
Patience, Chiro. One must satisfy one's duty before satisfying one's hunger. And our duty is to make sure the super robot is always prepared for the unexpected.
Huh?
Indeed.
Nice stop!
Whoa, kid.
How did you do that? You didn't even look.
The power primate, Chiro. It can give you vision beyond the use of your eyes, to see without looking.
See? Without looking?
You try. Close your eyes. See the missile inches from your head. See what will happen next.
Oh yeah, it's working. I see me out of here.
I foresaw that you might give up.